Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, everyone. Evening, everyone. Can you hear me all?
Yes,
Class 7, can you all hear me?
yes, ma'am.
Please come on the screens quickly. Everyone, please put on your cameras quickly. Please tell me if I'm audible because I'm not able to hear you people.
Ma'am, you're audible.
Okay, okay. So let's start revision of asset basis and stocks. How many questions we finished in the last class? Level 1? If you can just see and tell me. Level 1 was all completed as I remember. Level 1 was completed, right?
Yes, ma'am, like I think so.
Okay. Wait, I'm able to help you. Comprehension type questions was your homework. Okay. So let's move to level 2 now. Start reading the question, level 2.
Ma'am, can I read?
Yeah, please, loudly.
Yes, sir. A boy was given two test tubes, one containing water and the other containing sodium hydroxide. To identify the solution, which of the following indicators can be used by him?
Okay, water and sodium hydroxide is to be tested. Fine. Blue litmus, sodium hydroxide is is an example of what type of substance? Acidic, neutral, or basic?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
basic.
ma'am, turmeric.
Basic, and that too strong base. Okay. And water is neutral. So you people say turmeric.
Ma'am, because like we can use turmeric to indicate sodium hydroxide.
And what is the color change in turmeric?
Red. Ma'am,
Red.
sodium
Brick
hydroxide red.
Pardon?
Ma'am, when if we add sodium hydroxide to the turmeric indicator, it will turn red.
Red. So in case of acid also turmeric turns red.
No, ma'am. In case of acid, I think we'll change into pale yellow.
Acid is pale yellow. Okay, just a minute.
Ma'am, can we use red litmus paper?
Acidic solution. See, in acidic solution, turmeric I guess is no change, and in basic it turns red only. So yes, I think turmeric can be used, and base turns blue litmus red.
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
BRB. Turns red litmus blue. Sorry, red litmus blue. So we can use red litmus paper also, isn't it?
Ma'am, is it option B, 2, 3, and 4?
2 and 4 definitely are used. Second, blue litmus cannot be used. And phenolphthalein is colorless in acidic and pink in, yeah. So 2, 3, and 4 can be used, right? Can anyone tell why we cannot use blue litmus for this?
And because it stays unchanged in basis.
ABR means acid turns blue litmus red. Correct. Neutralization is used in the treatment of. Yep.
Ma'am, is it all of
Ma'am,
these?
all of these.
2, 3K also, indigestion, excess acidic type, all of these. Good. Hmm. 33. Which of following statement is correct? See, window cleaner solution and China rose indicator. Soda water base will turn green when red cabbage juice. So red cabbage juice on reaction with soda water. Soda is a type of base. What is the color change in red cabbage with base? Red cabbage turns green with base and it turns red with acid, is it? Come on, tell me.
Ma'am, yes.
Red cabbage on reaction with acid and base. On acid, it turns red, and on base, it turns green. Okay. So accordingly, I feel that B is definitely correct. See this C part, if we put a drop of soap solution, soap is again basic in nature. which means B seems correct. Soap is again basic in nature. And on the strip of turmeric paper, it will turn red. Turmeric effect on, means base effect on turmeric will be red. This also seems
Ma'am,
clear.
soap solution is an acid, right?
Hmm?
Solution.
Say again, please.
C is the answer.
Because I think
Ma'am, soap solution is basic.
soap solution is basic, and when turmeric reacts with base, it definitely turns red. But soda water will not be that much strong base because it is like soda, but water is there. So no, it is not a strong base. So I guess only C will be the correct option. What do you think?
Yes, ma'am. C.
C
Yes,
will
ma'am. C.
go strong with it, yeah. Now, which of the following is a strong acid?
Hydrochloric acid.
Carbonic lactic hydrochloric
Ma'am, A.
acid, definitely A. C. Which of following will not change the color of turmeric solution? Turmeric
Ma'am,
gives no change in aspect.
neutral substance. Ma'am,
Okay.
like D, salt solution.
In acid, they remain colorless. Which out of these is acidic solution? Baking soda, no. Soap solution is also base. Lime water. Lime water. Okay. Fine, is that fine? Because these two are basic. And salt solution will also be, definitely it is not an acid. That's neutral in nature. So lime water is only acidic, and turmeric remains colorless, means no change absorbed in acidic solution. Fine.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
if we add turmeric into water and prepare a solution out of it, is it a base or acid, or like what kind of solution is?
If we mix turmeric in water,
Yes, ma'am.
Rohini, are you? So see, turmeric itself is a type of indicator. So means you are asking turmeric is uh, acidic or basic? Acidic effect.
So like basically, if we prepare a solution out of it, and if we mix any basic, or as if we mix any basic with it, does it react?
If we mix base into it, definitely it will react.
So even though if it's in the even though if it's in the form of a solution, it is going to react, no?
Yeah, definitely. But see, when we dilute something, that if its concentration goes on decreasing, so definitely, that substance is going to have lesser effect. Means that strength of effect, the strength of reaction of mixing or dissolving with other substance would be reducing the concentration of solution.
Okay, ma'am.
Next, which of the following acids are not present in acid rain?
Ma'am, hydrochloric acid.
So,
Yes, ma'am.
sulfuric acid, nitric acid, carbonic acid, means sorry. Hydrochloric acid. Fluorine and tissue. 37. Yeah, 37.
Ma'am, the answer will be D.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Hmm? Oh,
Ma'am, sodium chloride means salt, right?
salt, NaCl. Yeah, that is
Ma'am, the answer is D, I think.
means aqueous solution of NaCl.
Yes, ma'am.
It will be shared. The option is
Ma'am, D. Sorry, C. Yeah, D only, D.
because neutral
Ma'am, because it's
in
not
nature, no,
basic,
that's why.
right?
Hmm?
Is it a base or an acid?
Here, salt is always neutral in nature. Salts are always neutral in nature. Okay? Means if you react sodium chloride, sorry, if you react hydrochloric acid in the laboratory with few crystals of NaOH, that is sodium hydroxide, this is an example of strong acid, where this is an example of strong base. On addition, you will be getting NaCl, you will get salt out of it. Means what happens that Na and Cl goes off and H2O, two hydrogen atom and single oxygen atom, this remains with us. Fine. Got it? Move to next. 38. A milkman added a small pinch of baking soda to fresh milk, which had pH close to 6 as a result pH of the medium.
Ma'am, pH 6 means it's a basic or no, it's it's an acid.
That's 7, 1, 14. Anything with the pH value of 7 is neutral. Anything which pH value of 1 is acidic. And with 14 is basic. Now, as you move from 7 to 14 in this direction, the basicity increases. And as you move from 7 towards 1, acidity increases. So if milkman added a pinch of baking soda, means he is about to add a base to fresh milk which already had a pH close to 6. See, 6 value means, just one value lesser than neutral means milk is slight acidic in nature. And now in that we are going to add baking soda. So we are adding soda means we are increasing the basic nature. Okay. Adding pinch of baking soda. Baking soda is a type of base. So definitely it would shift slightly towards basic nature. And see, now 2 is not, 2 is, the number 2 shows that something is acidic. 4 is again acidic. did not undergo any change is not possible, and became close to it means yes, the basic nature of milk is slightly increased. So D would be the answer. Fine. 7th class, is that fine?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
if you don't know this, you can draw this pH scale value. Which of the following groups of samples will not show any change in color with China rose indicator? Yeah, see, tell me what happens with China rose. Yeah, I'm writing here. What is the effect of China rose on acid levels? Draw the pH scale also. And China rose on reaction with acid changes to dark pink. And with base, it changes to blue. Blue to green. Tell me, children, what do you think would be the option? Water, soap solution base, lemon juice, coffee. Distilled water, window cleaner, lime water. It has a strong sodium chloride solution is neutral. This is also neutral. Distilled water is also neutral. Yeah, what do you think? I've written here what is the color change in China rose in this.
Is it option B?
Reason?
Because those three are I think sodium chloride is neutral. Then
There is also, and sugar solution is also.
yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, in B option, all of those solutions are neutral.
Yes, sir.
Neutral.
Right. You want to note anything out of it, or should I clear in addition?
Ma'am, you can clear.
Read the 448. Molecular formula of baking soda and washing soda. Anyone knows what is the difference between baking and washing soda? One of the option clearly goes wrong because of NaCl is a formula for
Sodium chloride.
Sodium chloride.
So sodium chloride with its name only means this is a type of salt and not soda. So definitely B option goes wrong. Okay. Next,
Ma'am, is it option A?
Ma'am, is it option C?
see if I tell you now, there is very slight difference between baking and washing soda. Some are saying A, some are saying C. C option is correct actually. Baking soda, see when we bake something, uh, if you have noticed, you know the things like cookies or cake, cupcakes, etc. They become fluffy. Their volume seems to be increased. It means, you know, some sort of air or gas has been filled. They seem like that. So NaHCO3, I mean to say that little bit of, you know, hydrogen molecules occupy the space. So baking soda is NaHCO3 and washing soda is Na2CO3. Okay, you can note this down also. You might get the question later on in exams. Fine. The name of chemical name of NaHCO3, sodium bicarbonate. Write the name, please. This is sodium bicarbonate, and NaCO3 is, sorry, Na2CO3 is sodium carbonate. This can also be written as sodium hydrogen carbonate. Note this down. Read 41st. Can anyone read it loud? 41.
Ma'am, you're saying, can anyone read it?
Yeah, read aloud.
A set of students went on a nature trip where one of the students disturbed the honeycomb by throwing a stone on it. Few students were stung by the bee. A person gathering medicinal plants came to the rescue and applied the extract of some leaves, which relieved the students of their pain. The chemical nature of the leaf would have been.
Ma'am, can I say?
Hmm.
Ma'am, is it basic?
Yeah, ma'am, because the sting contains an acid, right?
Yeah,
Which acid?
it's formic acid.
Formic acid.
Yeah, so to neutralize it, we need to use a base.
Correct. So to neutralize the effect of acid, we need base. To neutralize the effect of
And
base,
calamine solution.
yeah, for solution, we can apply calamine. If we have baking soda at home, we can apply that also. That will work definitely. Soap also can be rubbed on the affected part. So any basic substance, okay? At least basic relief we can get. So basic. 42. We have just discussed about the pH value. If two solutions A and B have pH value of 2 and 5 respectively, the nature will be as follows.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, both are acidic.
Ma'am, both are acidic.
Yes, actually. You know, in any question or in any extra means the part which I'm writing, you know, on the left or right sides, if you find it useful, please note them down.
Okay.
43. Identify the wrong statement. This is a
Ma'am,
corrosion of salt is
Ma'am, what is corrosive?
Ma'am, the answer is A.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of corrosive?
Ma'am, is the answer option A?
Ma'am, it's
I think
option
it's
A.
A. Yeah, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, because acids are corrosive and like sour in taste.
Ma'am, bases are bitter in taste.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Send the screen again.
Ma'am, the answer is option A because
acids are corrosive and have sour taste.
and bases have
Bases are bitter
taste.
in taste.
Yeah. Like because of acid rain, also, anything having acidic, anything that is acidic in nature may corrode other substances. Yes. Next, which of following is not an important use of acid to manufacture fertilizers in textile, leather, and paper industry, whitewashing of buildings, or engineering skills from builders.
Ma'am, I think
Ma'am,
D.
B.
D.
Ma'am, D.
Ma'am, B.
Ma'am, because A, B, C, like these three are important.
See, definitely it is used in textile, leather, and paper industry. In whitewashing of buildings, whitewash is made out of quicklime, CaO, that is basic in nature, and further it gets converted to calcium hydroxide, which is again a further more better base. To manufacture fertilizers also they are used in engineering skills from boiler. I guess C should be the option. Because in whitewashing, the white color substance we use is already a base. Okay, so we need to discuss it more. Okay, think about it. Well, I think C should be the option. Next, read out 45.
Ma'am, is it option B?
Yeah, what you are telling?
Ma'am, I'm saying it's option B. It is a strong base and it will burn the.
Actually, it is a very strong base. Right, correct option. And which is a strong base.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in that question.
Hmm.
Ma'am, like sodium hydroxide is a base, right?
Yeah.
So, and hydrochloric acid is acid.
Hmm.
Ma'am, so during acidity, the acid level will be high. So, when we
Hmm.
add a base to it, it will be neutralized, right?
Hmm.
So, how can it burn the stomach and the mouth?
You know, the hydrochloric acid that is present in laboratories, it we can't take a single drop of that HCl on our skin. Fine. Because it is a strong acid. But that hydrochloric acid which is released in our stomach, that is something natural. We don't have to consume it through our mouth. Okay, we need not to means it is automatically being released from the walls of the inner walls of the stomach. Fine. So like that only, because sodium hydroxide is a very strong base, you can't bring that in contact of your mouth.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you give an example for a weak base?
Weak base is calcium, no. NaOH, KOH, KOH. Magnesium hydroxide is a weak base.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Next for today, assertion reason would be your homework, or else I'll see what you people can solve at home. Fine. This much was enough for today. Keep revising. We'll meet tomorrow, right? Okay, children. Bye bye, everyone.